As Basin Electric moves on in years, so does our infrastructure. Derik Johnson is the new Basin Electric Manager of Transmission System Maintenance. He unveiled a new initiative to take care of this to directors. Johnson explains the Aging Substation Infrastructure Replacement Initiative.
Way back when we started developing what's called the Long Range Engineering Plan, or LREP, and we took a look at our substation fleet, and we took a look at the age of a lot of that equipment, and we kind of coupled that with existing test data of similar equipment in that same age range that we've experienced either failures on or we've tested to where we can't put the equipment back in service. And so we know we're kind of at that really the edge of where the equipment probably won't perform as originally designed. All equipment eventually does wear out. The original manufacturers, most of this equipment are not in business anymore, or they've morphed into different companies, and they don't support this equipment anymore. So you don't have the luxury of going down and buying parts for this equipment. You'd have to go to a third-party market, and it gets difficult. As far as the time frame on the initiative is, we currently have it in about a 7-year plan, replacement plan. Now there's definitely some leeway in that. We're actually running this through a risk-based methodology internally as well to see if there's any schedule changes that need to happen at certain locations. And we're also open to even shifting that out a little further. We want to try to support this as much as possible with internal engineering and internal TSM construction labor when feasible. Each of these projects will be brought individually and do have to stand on their own merit as a single project. But we felt it was important to get the whole initiative out there and just show, the investment that we are putting into these number of substations.